So, hi. Sanity. It's just one of the saddest news I've heard this year. Hi. Very terrible. My own man, Sanity.
Man on guy.
It's just terrible.
Our own man. Gone just like that. Odogunegu.
At the peak of his career. Just imagine.
And this boy got raw talent. Heavy talent.
It's talent now, just wasted like that.
See music.
Don't carry him. See music. See. Wait. What else? Nollywood. The guy they shoot. Hi. The guy they edits. And he's one of my best MCs. You know now, when we go events, the guy they do well. They do well. But you see this life, things no easy for every man. In the got come, they meet me. Say, guy, what you go do? Make for push him up. But you know, easy for everybody.
Same thing with me. He has been meeting me. But things are hard.
Things are hard, you know.
And now look at it. Okay, Nago. Now it's that heavy talent. Just like that.
But I want to say things hard, Ify. So what do we do? Ify, we got to do one or two, so make these people know say this guy not just day on your own. Make them know say we dey back.
Definitely.
You understand? Yeah. So place no go just dull like that.
No, we cannot let it slide just like that. You need to make sure he gets a befitting burial. So we know things are hard right now. And but I think I'm still going to. I just complete my second house. But notwithstanding, at least I can, support them with 3 million, so that at least even if after the burial, their family will see, want something.
If you
one day,
Ibu okay. You see, to just at least top up with what you just tabled, my brother. I no go just let only you do now. It no go make sense. At least let me see what I can do. Maybe I think 2 million go do from my side now.
Hi. Man no more.
Place tight.
Man no more cable. Man no more cable.
Money.
Well,
you understand? Well, so at least like that now we don't get 5M.
Not true.
So we go meet this.
I think Mr. Onyeka, see, I don't need all this rubbish. Nanya go that around on here. I goes now some million. Listen, send that 3 million to my account. I'm in the village. By next week when I come back, I don't want any stories. Any damage I mess up, they're very serious, okay?
Let's go!
I will get back to you. Let me attend to somebody. Okay.
Invest.
Hey, is this you?
He be my guy.
Come in.
Let's go.
Have a seat.
See,
my man.
I said the pass there. He couldn't be me like saying no be my guy.
Sanity.
Hey, guys, see fresh show.
Yeah, but I'm easy.
Guy. See, as a matter of fact, you see, I'm now. You got to go kind of evidence. People who check
So you are still into that your music and movie something, eh?
I still there, my brother. I still there rock am. See, there's this song that I newly dropped even. If you hear this music, na vibe. See, make I just give you the lines, eh? Look at, I did something like Bari walk and ganige de jebro you gam. I've got it cash, I've got it dog. I'm here to smell my dog.
You got the cash.
I got See, at this point, what I just need now is just small sponsorship. If I'm able to get any sponsor that can help me to move this thing, guy, Tiwagom like that now.
Okay.
But now
that's a good thing.
I was even reasoning if he can possibly help me with, even if it's at least 500,000. If he give me 500,000 within 6 months, Njiroko movie. I will not go to the music because in Kagabe work promo and all that. He 500 Njiroko movie. If you believe me,
you will gain it. 500, a million plus. If you believe me, what you're going to do now, invest on me. You understand? Just if you invest on me, you're going to eat it. Definitely you will eat the fruit of your labor. If you aim like 500,000 before a year, I'm promising you that you will go like in the millions. Invest on me and you will see the result.
Sanity.
Eat me, my guy. Hey.
Sanity. So I should give you 500,000, eh? My brother, you know I'm in Nigeria like you.
Lagos.
Which means the same thing you people are experiencing here. Can you and they experience it over there? Everywhere bochi. I only came down here because of a little work I have in my house.
I can see the difference is clear.
Yeah. We thank God. So the money that I came with, I've already spent it on that.
Okay, if you see, don't worry. Don't worry. I don't even know why I said 500. 500 didn't too much. Get the 500 they made a movie. If I want to show you the 300,000. If I'm able to touch 300,000, movie. 300,000 same movie. If it's the movie Sanity. With my connections, the movie
Sanity. Oburo mi nwere gi na-ekwu okwu kwa. Gensi, listen. There is no money now. It is hard everywhere. We all know it. This is the way our country is now. Nyesirike everywhere. I only came down with that money, specific amount of money, because I have something I'm doing. So I don't have any money with me. So music it's okay. But I think you should, find one or two things you can be doing that will be fetching you money.
Not to worry. Not to worry. If you 200. I can manage it well.
Listen to me. For now, I don't have any money with me, but I still have your contact. I will put a call to you. I will put you through.
If I almost forgot. Imana with 50,000. Each room 50,000. I can.
No, they raw. I will put you my friend. You are my friend. If there is something available, I will give you. But for now, nothing is available. I have a friend that I need to see, but for now there is nothing available. And Yedi, I will call you. You are my friend now. I'm not there is no problem. I will call you. How is family now? I
know. We are fine.
That one is not a problem anymore. I go there everywhere I go there.
Alright.
I should give you 500,000. I had money. Okay, well, go. If I get money, I spend money. You don't why. My own money. Okay, well, baby, easy. Do you know how I suffered to make it?
Santis, now the idea be that too. But from what the man said, he advised me to make sure that I do all the necessary things and start taking my medications as supposed as soon as possible.
You mean the doctor?
Yes. So I don't know. I think I really need your help this time around, because the man said that I need at least 100,000 naira for a deposit for him to commence treatment.
100,000.
I don't know how you can be of help to me, please, guy. I really need this thing for my health. Please.
100K. Sanity, excuse me, wait, hold on. What is really wrong with you when they go need 100,000 to treat you? Is it operation or something? There's a pharmacist I know that can take care of these things even at a less cheaper rate. So, what kind of, as I look you like this, you are very healthy and strong.
Forget this thing. Health issue is not being measured like that. Health issue is not about physical appearance or whatever. Health issue is something internal here. Please, I think I need your help. Okay, can you just at least give me this 100K before, if I'm able to get myself a bit, I'm going to run around and give you the money, even if it's going to give you in advance. Please.
Only open on lockdown. You know.
Okay, Santis, please give me 80. No matter about the 20. Let me run around for the 20. But I know you can give me 80, please.
Just as I have told you, there is no money, Sanity.
I cut it down to 70 here.
There is no money. What are you saying, Sanity? We are still saying 70-100. What's the difference? Yeah? There's no much of difference on it.
Santis, I'm too young to die now.
You are not dying. I said, leave it to me. Even if he's calling my family doctor, they can have you. This thing might even be malaria. What is 100,000 to treat a malaria, my brother? You know, say place high, place tight. I no go lie for you now. There are some businesses I invested. You know my equipment. You know, so I just upgrade equipment. LEDC and every DC. See my projects. Most projects were just poor.
Santis, please now. We are talking about my health issue here now. Give me this money, even if not 10K.
Yeah, why here? I'm going out to. Let's go and have a good time. Sanity.
Santis, I need this thing.
That thing could bring down your temperature, and you find out that you're not even.
Bring it that temperature. What, guy?
Let's go. Let's go.
Your guy is dying, no. Santis.
See, Obuba and Kacho, if na band no DJ. How many chairs? Mama. Everything got the excess.
Yes, no. By excess way.
Even if the family has not made arrangement for casket, see, I'm planning to even bring something different.
Casket, they go in the
Something different. Yeah? Something they've not even
to make sure that people know that Odogun were people. Odogun were people.
Nah. So my brother, I'm on the clock.
Okay, all right.
Just take a walk.
All right. What now? Not off.
Begging now.
So bad.
If you money,
I
beg greet your
no problem, man. No problem. Hey. Oh, Diego. I saw Odogun Egu, and I go just like that.
So people can actually go this far to bury the dead. But when I was alive, if I ask you for just 50,000 naira, if I give me 50,000 naira, now you want to bring out 3 million to bury me? Since I even asked for 5,000 naira for my drugs you could not afford. But you have 2 million naira to. Is this the definition of life?